So yesterday, last section we discussed related to manage enterprise HCM information. Okay. Now divisions are there. I will show you how to create a division. It's very simple and very straightforward. Simple create. Okay. Just give the name is effective date is already given. Okay. Now you can observe over here, create, we are getting two options. You can create or select existing organization to define as a division. So let me create new one, then after I will go for this option. Okay. Name. I'm keeping it as a active. If you okay. So if you are creating this one, if you are keeping inactive, it is not available to use. Okay. You have to keep it as active if you want to use it for the in the system or enterprise. Okay. Now coming to action and action reasons are there. See, we will discuss these things over here in the next topic. Actions and action reasons. Okay. Now coming to click on next. See, over here you are getting an option like reporting name and reporting manager. See, this one I will explain it over here so that it will these options will come in depart while we are creating department and business unit and location. Where in next creation, next task, every place you will get this option. Okay. See, what is this manager option you are getting over here in the sense? You will hire an employee, right? Once you hire an employee, once you hire an employee, if that employee is comes under this division, comes under this division. Okay, just see over here. Come down. Here you can see the manager information, right? If you want, if your requirement is irrespective of recording is going on, right? Yes. Okay. Irrespective of employment, who all are comes under this division, everyone will have the same manager. If that is your requirement, then you can choose any one person over here. Okay. See, this is a person ID, or these all are the things. Okay. Mostly we won't use over here. Okay. This might be a requirement for the certain locations or certain business units. If the organization is very less quantity of organization, I can say. Okay. Just click on next. And you can see, and over here you will get two options. One option is save and close and submit. What is the difference between save and close and submit? Save and close in the sense, whatever you are created, You are created for your information purpose. You just created and saving for you saving this one, and you are not submitting this one to the enterprise. This is our enterprise, right? You are not submitting this one. You are not submitting this division record to the enterprise. You are just saving for your information purpose. So that is the difference between save and submit. Okay. So now just click on submit. And one more point, if you want to see any errors are occurring, and one more point I want to explain it to you. Prior to the submit, you want to know what are the errors that it is giving. Like, are you created correctly or not created correctly? You will get some errors, right? So if you want to know the errors, just click on save. Then only you can click on which one? Submit. Got it? Very simple way. Now I'm creating a new one. Here I'm selected existing organization to be defined as division. Which organization that you want to make it as a division? See, here you will get so many options. Mm. See, over here you will get the option. Again, you will get the option over here, benefits, what's a business unit also. You can take the department and click on search. Click on OK. Just click on search. See, you can create, you can create, you can choose any one of this. Okay. You can choose any one of this, and just over here, just click on select organization, this arrow mark. Okay. Next things and all, everything is same. It is active, and click on next. If you want to keep any manager, you can keep, and just you can click on next and save and submit. You can save it. If you want to know if it is fetch, it is occurring, any errors are occurred, then you can click on OK, save, and then after you can submit. See, next question over here. Everyone will get this question, like Raghu. Mukesh is showing. Okay. Here the question is, divisions are not, I already explained to you, divisions are not mandatory in the enterprise structure. Divisions are used only for the reporting purpose. And you can observe over here in the enterprise, this legal entity HCM information, we were able to override so much of information which we provided at the enterprise level. Am I right or no? Hello? Am I right or not? We were able to, right? Yes or no? Are you following?
Yes, Raghu.
Yeah, we were able to overcome so many things. What are the so many things? We can keep 3 tier at the place of 2 tier, and we can keep what we can keep, like position synchronization override and workday information. These all are the information that we can provide. Even we can provide the business units, associated business units also we can do. If you observe anything, if you observe while I'm creating the divisions, nothing is there. Nothing, no futures are available in the divisions. It it won't functions in the at the enterprise level. It's not at all a mandatory thing. You can skip that one. Then why that division option is provided by Oracle? It's only useful to reporting purpose. Reporting purpose in the sense while we are writing, one second. Okay, while we are writing reports, like while we are writing any SQL query, over there in the where condition, you can keep it this where the division is equal to this one. So that what I can say, fetching time will be decreases. How I can say in the sense. What if we are keeping this condition in the where condition, it will take very less time to fetch the information, whatever the information that you want. So this is a purpose actually. Okay. So apart from this, nothing will be there. It is not preferable to use divisions in the organization. I worked so many projects. No projects are used divisions in my experience. Okay. Now click on done. So whenever you are creating any task, okay, just click on done, and come outside. Then only it will be available in the system. Now coming to, okay, till this one we are discussed, right? Okay, now coming to manage actions and action reasons. See over here. Then after I will explain it to you. A reference data set. Okay. Manage actions and action reasons. Come here. Once we are creating this one, here itself, or else. Click on new person. Click on hire an employee. See over here, reason, action and action reason you are getting or no? Action you are getting? Hello? Action and action reason that you are getting, right? Yes or no? Why this action and action reason? I will explain over here. So let me explain it to you. Okay. HR is there. HR is hired one employee. Hired one employee. Employee one. Okay. After certain days, like this HR is resigned and another HR is came into the picture. HR two came into the same job and same position, having same position. Then when he is opening this record is hired by HR1, correct? HR1. He should know, right, why he hired this employee, what is the purpose, okay? What is the action? What is the purpose of hire? He should know basic information, right? Am I right or not? Hello?
Yeah,
Why all people are silent? Akhil, Sai Kiran, Hariprasad, Srinu. Are you following?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, Raghu.
Yeah. See, employee that HR should know, right? Why this employee is hired. So that's the purpose. We have hired action and action reason. This action and action reason not only over here, whatever the task that you are creating, whatever the tasks that you are creating, every task has high and every task has action and action reason. You can see. So for that one, what you have to do, come here. See, manage actions. Click on hire. See, over here, over here, you can even like you can create in this way. Just click on place. Okay. See, I'm just giving one code like okay. Just observe what I'm how I'm creating hire code. Okay. See, over here, Raghu, I'm creating okay. Used contract is okay. Raghu, everything is okay, Raghu. But how I'm creating one action? I'm creating one action that is good only. Then how you are linking with this hired employee only? This action can be created for any task purpose, right? How can you say how we can confirm that this action is using for our task purpose only? For that
Right.
one, you have to choose correct type over here. You can observe over here, sir, these all are the types. Whenever you are creating, whenever you are creating, see, global, okay, these all are we can discuss later. Location, change manager, change location, create grade rate, create grade ladder. Okay, so these all are create grade and grade ladders. You will get over here. For each place, every place you will get this action and action reasons. Just gone through, I will explain you how to create action and action reason for one action type. Okay, just observe that one and try to create remaining places. When you will create these remaining places, once you are aware of all these tasks, then after you have to come down to this task and you have to create all these action and action reasons at these places also. Are you getting what I'm trying to explain? I will explain what is action and action reason. Okay. Then I will explain how to create for the one task type. In future, when I explained for the grade and grade ladder, you have to practice how to create a grade and grade ladder. Then after you have to practice how to create a action and action reason also over there. Okay. Now, for now, I am creating. Where is hired employee? Here it is. Hired employee. Now, come down. What is the effective start date? It should be available from the 1 by. Okay. Now, see over here, assignment status for whom this you want to see this action. I'm keeping active, no payroll eligible. In future, I will explain what all are these assignment statuses. Can we create a new thing or else we can utilize same thing only. Everything I will explain in future. Now, for now, you just keep it like active payroll eligible. Now, so these all are the two options, country and role. This is came up very recently. Okay. Now, coming to what's a country? See, this action and whatever we are attaching to the action reasons to be visible, to be visible to the countries like USA. Okay, if that is the requirement, Ukraine only, or else United Kingdom only. If that is the requirement, if that is a requirement, you can keep this action and action reasons to be visible to the only those countries. Are you getting? How many of you understood? Raghu, as you told so many times, nothing is related to country, na? Then how it works? See, from I'm creating this action and action reason. Okay. And I'm attaching this one to the country. Country, UAE. Okay. Then what? Then what happens? Employee HR will come. HR will hire an employee to the legal entity. Means we have to call it as legal employer. Legal employer in the sense what, sir? Legal entity only we can enable the legal employer so that we can hire an employee over here. Now, you can observe this legal employer is attached to one LDG or not? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, Raghu.
This LDG is attached to country.
Yes.
Okay. So whatever the restrictions that we are providing over here, it works or not? It works. Okay. Hello. So now this is not mandatory. You can observe over here. Okay. Entity date is also not mandatory. Type is mandatory. Name and code is mandatory. Name is which will be visible over there. Code. Why, Raghu, always we are using a code? Why we are using this code like this? See, why? Because this name will be provided by the business. End user will provide this name. We will provide this name. That is okay. And some after certain days, after certain months, employer that end user will come and they will say that business will come and say that Raghu, I don't want this name. I want to change this name. Then what happens? Names of anything will be changed continuously based upon the end user requirement. But we have to use the code, which they don't know about this code. We are using it for our purpose, our information purpose, our reports purpose. If there is any integration, works based upon this action. If there is any, so not works, but if there in case we are depending on this action name, then it will be a very trouble, very uh, disturbance, right? In future, if they are changing name, we have to change everything. So that's the reason we will use code in the reports and in the integration, in the fast formulas, and so many things. We will use code only. Clear? Now, coming to, you understood this country, right? And this role in the sense, those who all are having these roles, only this action name will be visible. Okay. Recognition related, I don't, nothing this one. Context value, I will explain in future classes. It comes under the DFF, descriptive flex. Okay. Now, hope you understood this one. I'm just now clicking on keep it nothing. I'm nothing and keeping over here. And this one also you just remove. Why I'm removing? I want to show it to you from front end side also. If I'm keeping these all are enabled, then I have to assign all the rules. Then only this action will be visible to me. Then just click on next, continue. Over here, you have to attach action reasons. Action reasons, if you are clicking on this drop down, you will get all the action reasons over here. See, so for that one, we have to create action reasons to get it available under this one. Clear? So for now, you can assign anything, or else we can create a new one. Just click on over here. Nothing will be there. It's came, right? Whatever we created over here. Hello. Just to choose that one. Over here also started, you just give same started only 1 by 2024. Okay. See, observe over here. Again, here you are getting the country. Again, over here you are getting roles. See, why again countries? See, you want whenever my requirement is whenever I'm hiring an employee, whenever I'm hiring an employee, this action should be visible to 3 countries. Action should be visible to 3 countries. Okay. Whenever he is choosing that action, I want to maintain different action reasons to different countries, all these 3 countries. Then you can create, okay, this action reason is only for the United Arab Emirates. And I will create, it is okay. Then after, just click on okay. Okay. Now, you can click on submit also, and associate, you can create another one also. Reason you can create accident. Okay. You just create accident. Accident, I'm keeping this one as RS. Okay. See, this one, CSV test one, I'm keeping this one as global. Okay. Just click on OK. Submit. Come to new hire. Hire an employee. Okay. Oh, this one is coming. Why? It should not come now. Both are coming, right? But the expectation is CSV test one only should come. Let me choose a legal employer. US one. Wow. Then it should not come. Don't know why it is coming. Some processes should be run backside as it's a demo instance. It is not working over here. So actual expectation is C. This one only, right? We are created. Click on next. Okay. These two we are created, but this one we are created only for the United Arab Emirates. Okay. Actual thing is, I understood why it is coming. Actual thing is, it should come only for the United Arab Emirates only, who all are having access to. But my role is having not only United Arab Emirates, I'm having the access to the all the countries, as I'm having a higher level role. Okay. So that's the reason it is visible to everyone. Yeah, no. Hope you understood what I'm trying to explain.
Raghu, but CSV something is there, no action lesson that will, appear for all the countries, irrespective of anything, because
Yeah.
we have not chosen anything, only for the
Actually, I'm able to see.
S70.
See, I'm able
Yes,
to see this one. Everything.
correct, correct. We were able to see this one,
Yeah,
correct.
it is
When
global.
we, yeah,
Ah,
correct.
the test one is UAE
Test
only
one is visible only for Arab, correct.
Arab. Okay, that's the required. That's the expectation actually. So as
Yes,
it's a
yes.
demo that's the expectation in your real time, it works perfectly. That's not an issue. But over here, it's a demo instance, right? It happens. And now next one is what are in if that situation. So suppose example in real time scenario, if it is happening to you, you have to see what are the roles are appearing over here. So since my role, whatever the roles are assigned to me, is having not UAE related access is also provided to me, it seems. Come here, come here in the security console, in the security console, users, I'm the user, right? These roles, these all are the roles, right? I'm having. These roles are having the access to UAE also. Got it? I am able to see UAE also. That's the reason it is providing me the access to that UAE related action reason also. Got it, Sai Kiran?
But Raghu, we have not chosen any roles over there, only we have selected
No, no,
country.
no. I'm saying that I'm having the access to the not only roles that UAE country also. Data role I'm asking about. Do you know data role, right?
Little bit, not that much. Means
Data role
roles.
in the sense which provides you the access to the data. I'm having the access, that role is providing the access to the UAE data also. That's the reason it is giving the access to this one also. Got it? Whenever in the real time, that employees can't see all the legal employers over here. They can see only the legal employer only related to UAE. If that is a situation, then they can see only this test. How many of you understood? Hello, Srinu, Akhil,
Yes, sir.
you can speak out. Sai Kiran, understood?
Yes, Raghu.
Srinu, you there?
Oh yeah, Raghu. Raghu, like యాక్షన్స్ అండ్ యాక్షన్ రీజన్స్ ఇవన్నీ అసలు ఎందుకు అసలు దేనికోసం
In see, I explained in the initially, right? So reason is in future you want to capture like for what purpose this task is created, for what purpose that we are using this task was created earlier. You want to capture that information, you will use this. Got it?
ఓకే యా రఘు
In future, you have so suppose example you hired an employee and that employee is hired and you hired an employee and after certain days you resigned your job. Then after new HRs came into the picture. That HR should know, right? Why this employee is hired. Hello.
యా రఘు
Yeah. Just a history purpose. Capturing history of that record. That's it.
ఓకే ఓకే రఘు
Okay. So over there you can give the restrictions related to roles and restriction related to countries also. Okay. But even after I'm keeping the country, I'm able to see the both of them. Okay, which is not global. Global only I should be able to see, but country also I'm able to see over here. The reason is I'm able because of I have the access to the higher level access in the roles. The roles I'm having very higher level access over here. You can see advanced no, advanced implementation is implementation consultant. This is a higher level role. Okay. I'm having very higher level role. That's the reason it is data roles and everything. So that's the reason I'm able to see all the data, not only the UAE. So in real time, in real time, in real time, there are HRs who can able to see only UAE info. Okay, which we can restrict from data roles. Okay, then if we create a action reason with okay country restriction. Hmm. Okay, hope you understood this point. Hello, got it,
Yeah, Raghu.
right? So
Yes.
there are now I'm having you in these two statements in this. Okay. I'm having higher level access and all the countries access. That's the reason I'm able to see that UAE also. Okay. So this is the scenario. Now, hope you understood this scenario. You can create a new one also over here. Action and action. One second. Yeah, I'm back. So now you can create a new action and action reasons also by choosing different apps, different action types. So action reason. Just click on please. Home. Okay. You can see for which task that you want to create. New person. See, for all these things, new add an employee, add a contingent worker. You can create, add a contingent worker. Okay. Assignment, active and no payroll. Yeah, I will explain in future. Country don't give anything. Okay. By default, it is end date. It will take it as Oracle will support 4712 till that date. Okay. Just click on continue. Choose anything which is already created. Okay. Effective date is also 1/1/2025. Okay. Just click on okay. Now add a contingent worker. See, this is the one, right? We created. Yes, you can continue. And now it is covered. You can't cancel. See, both are coming, right? Accident and test time. So, hope you understood this action and action reason concept. Hello. Now I created new action and action reason for the add a contingent worker. Clear? Raghu, your question is Raghu, that is okay while we are creating action and action reason. While we are creating action and action reason, that we don't know what is the type, exact type. Okay, you can Google it, sir. There is a document available in the Google Oracle Docs. Over there, you will get perfect action type. Or else you can see over here itself. Anything? Hope you understood till now everything. Any doubts over here you want to check? Anything? Hello. No doubts, right? So next topic that we have to discuss, it is related to lookups. Okay. We discuss it is in tomorrow class. Okay. It takes some time. We cannot complete it in 5 to 6 minutes.